Welcome to Taiba Kids! Hello, hello, crocodile, snapping jaws but smiling wide, big green tail and shiny teeth, swimming gently side to side. Crocodile goes splash, splash, splash in the river, cool and blue, waving hello with his tail, saying come and play with you. Crocodile walks clap, 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 little feet go tap, tap, tap. He's not scary, he's our friend. See him take a happy lap. Crocodile opens mouth up wide, chomp, 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 then shuts it tight, counting teeth, 1, 2, 3. Laughing makes it feel just right. Crocodile loves to dance around, wiggle tail and stomp the ground, spin around and jump with cheer. Happy music is the sound. Crocodile eats lunch, yum yum, fish and fruit and leafy greens. He says thank you with a grin, best behaved you've ever seen. Crocodile feels sleepy now. Sun goes down, the sky turns cold. He yawns big and closes eyes, dreams of stories yet untold. Good night, crocodile. Wave your tail and say goodbye. See you soon for more fun play. Crocodile says bye bye, bye bye. Crocodile goes splash, splash, splash in the river, cool and blue, waving hello with his tail, saying come and play with you. Thanks for watching Taiba Kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe.